Hello everybody, as you know, there's too many different items that we can use in wood turning with an angle grinder. So I have get this before with a chainsaw blade, but it was very aggressive tool to work with it. And recently I get this as a gift from the Graff company, another speed cutter, and I'm about to use it today. So let's try this on a plater to make some shapes, and let's go to the lathe. Today I will work with this one. It's a piece of poplar wood. I prefer to start with 0 RPM and then give the speed for safety reasons. Just I need for you to excuse me because this is not a poplar, it's a maple, but confuse me the blue color. I always have with the blue color the poplar planks, so this is maple, sorry. So here you can see what I have made. It's a pretty nice tool, not aggressive like the other one. It's easier to manage it with a grinder. Here I make some mistakes, okay, it's first time that I use it, but I'm really happy with that. Probably I can do so many things. Now I do some hand sanding and maybe I do a bit deeper those lines, and then we will see. Now, because I like to paint it, I add some clear varnish, so the paint that I use after not absorbed by the wood. Now we can paint it. To be honest, I don't like it. I feel that it's very simple. So I try some more to make some more cuts, maybe make it more interesting. Now we wait to dry. So before I paint again, I will finish the inside because I like to be the same color like the line, so the color inside follow the color outside. Yes, now looks much better. I'm very happy. And then now we sand here well and we'll be ready. So let's finish this little plater. So here it is, with a little practice. This speed cutter probably can help me to make amazing stuff. At the moment I need to learn it a bit more. At the beginning I have some shaking to my hand, so I do some mistakes, but in the second line that I do was perfect. To help the company that sent me this as a gift, I have put the link below if you like to get one for your own. The interesting is that it's not aggressive like the chainsaw one. Okay, the chainsaw one take more material out than this one and faster, but this is more easy to use, and I have not so much fear when I use this, like the fear that I have when I use the chainsaw one. It's crazy tool. Also about the colors, if you see, I put a first layer of varnish, clear varnish, so the wood not absorbing the color inside. But I have some leaks, but I think it's not a big problem, this one. If I put some more coats of clear varnish and I have time, probably will be perfect white and not with a little spots of color. I hope you find interesting these techniques, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe. And we speak again on the next video. Until the next time, take care.